Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a little walkthrough of my music room, studio, whatever you like to call it, of upgrades that I've done. So as you can see, I upgraded the center monitor to a 27-inch monitor, and I have a 24-inch monitor on either side of that. And then, of course, as you can see right here, this is my M-Audio Oxygen 49 MK4 MIDI controller that I use a lot with the Reaper. Down here is my Scarlett 2i4 interface, which I think is nice. There's a lot of nicer ones on the market, but I'm not a millionaire, so this is what I use. Then down here, this is my new computer, which is an Intel i7 9700 processor. It has 64 gigabytes of RAM, an RTX 2060 8GB video card, which is really awesome for video editing and pretty much anything music related. This is my Blue Yeti mic that I use to do all my videos with, and that right there with all those wires is a Dell Pro docking station with another USB hub on top, because I have so many USB devices. Right here is a 1 terabyte backup drive. And then moving up here, it's a Logitech 922C Pro webcam. This is similar to it, but it's a knockoff version, a little stand. JBL 305P MK2 studio monitors on stands, which I think sound really good. And moving on over here, we have another one of those. I have my Jackson JS2 bass, another Jackson 7-string JS22 guitar, which I'm going to upgrade the pickups on soon. Then I have an Electric Blue JS22 with no strings on it, because I'm waiting on a pair of DiMarzio deactivator pickups. I did, however, upgrade the tuners and locking tuners. This table right here is brand new. I installed some LED lights on it. Work laptop, I have an iPad 3 with JAMA Pro XT loaded on it, which I use from time to time. Then this is my old laptop that I used to use, but now I just keep it as a backup. Some autographed pictures up here, Jeff Loomis, Keith Merrill, myself, when they signed my Schecter Hellraiser. As you can see, there's Keith signing my guitar. Nick Anthony's Black Label Society, Warren DeMartini of Rat, George Lynch, Doc, and all autographed. Moving on over here, it's my Schecter C1FR Hellraiser, EMG 8185 TW coil tapped pickups. And that's real Floyd Rose. I modified a bunch of stuff out of the stainless steel. I also added a fat brass block to it for a little bit more sustain. And also this Pro Floyd Rose arm, because I think the ones that screw on are complete garbage, and they need to stop doing that because they're just garbage. They always come loose, and I hate that. This is my Ibanez RG40X1, totally stock, but I'm thinking about changing the pickups on it as well. Then this stand right here that you see is for a green screen that I haven't really used yet. That's what that's for. And then over here I have an LTD Kirk Hammett Ouija board guitar, 292 out of 666, pretty sweet. It has an EMG 60 in the neck position, 81 on the bridge. Then I have two Jackson DKMG guitars back there, both made in Japan. Both have EMG 81 85s, licensed Floyd Rose bridges. As you can see, they're very nice guitars. And what else? Pretty much that's it, really. The major upgrades were pretty much the computer and this little table that I installed some blue LED lights in. Keep all my little guitar tools and such under here. There's my green screen that I have not used yet. And, poster of Jeff Loomis that he also signed. it's pretty sweet that I actually got to meet all these people, because it's kind of once in a lifetime type of thing, I believe. It's hard to meet these people. And yeah, man, I hope you guys keep watching my videos this year. Last year was really awesome. I got to meet a lot of new people on YouTube, on Facebook, joined a bunch of Facebook groups where I learned a lot of new stuff. Got introduced to a bunch of new VST plugins. And this year I'm going to try something also. I'm going to do monthly giveaways, prizes, if you will. Hardware pedals, strings, straps, blah, blah, blah. Everything guitar related. Pretty easy contests to win. So stay tuned and hear about all that. So yeah, I'm really proud of this room. And I'm going to keep on doing videos more this year. Hopefully you guys will like them. Hopefully I get some more subscriptions, which I think I should if I keep doing what I'm doing. And so I see you guys again. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you around.